Moikka! In the previous video I made these whimsical flower trees. And this time let's make a whimsical art journal spread with them. Welcome to my channel. I am Mari from Taika Journals. Let's open my fall art journal that I made last fall. There is a couple of art spreads already made. Not much yet, but hopefully this fall I will be able to do a lot of art journal spreads. Lots of empty pages to be filled. Here is a watercolor artwork. And then let's go forward. And this is unfinished, this spread. And this is a spiral art journaling. And there is videos of these in my channel. And next is circle art journaling. I had a lot of fun with these. And here is an enchanted village. Where is my character running around on the hills? And then here is a paper, mainly papers, art journaling spread. This was fun. And here is a fall art journaling spread. This is my favorite art journal spread in this journal. And this was inspired by my little daughter. And I think this represents the magical style that I love to do. It's just a lot of fun. And then this is a pocket page. I made these different color pockets to this spread. And that was it with this journal. I will continue with this during this fall. A lot of fun. Yes. But now I will cut the flower trees and then let's do some art. Let's start with the base layer. And this is going with the flow art journaling. So I am starting with something and then I am adding a little bit more and more. I had this thought that I would start with the skyline and see where that goes. I am using some acrylic markers with some water. Now the sky is finished, and then I started to think how would I like to fill this space, and for some reason I started to think of book pages, old book pages, and then I thought that I could color them with ink, so let's do that. Okay, now the pages are ready on the towels, and then I will be using some liquid inks with water. And I am choosing the fall colors. And then I just start to spray and throw in some inks. It's raining outside pretty heavily. You might hear that in the video. I always love a good fall rain. It's lovely. And nature likes that too. Oops. And then let's spread the ink a bit here and there. I love these colors. The reason why I'm using the inks is because I had this idea that I would like the text to show, and with these they will show when these dry. Would you look at my hands? They will look like this next week. But I don't mind. This ain't no beauty channel. Blip, 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 blip. There, I think we are done. This is so relaxing. I love it. A few turns here and there, and now I will let these dry a good amount of time, and then let's continue. Now the ink papers are ready, and next I will be ripping them apart. I thought that I could do some little strips of different colored papers, and then I will use them as a ground. But now I have this thought that I could do maybe some green here, and then over top of that I could put the papers. Yes, let's do that. This is my trying out paper, and I always like to decorate them when they are full. Okay, here comes the fall and overlaps the green summer. And I will start with the middle part. There, I think we are ready with this. And now I will do some inking on the edges. And now it is time to glue these suckers. I will be using some Multifix Cherning Hobby Glue. And I am only gluing the bottom part and there on the side. So you can add stuff in between when we start to decorate this in a minute. And then you can glue more when you have all the things on the spread that you want to put there. This is more like here and there gluing, so they will stay somehow in their spot. And then I will glue the sides. Okay, now this is ready. You can think of this like a little village. You can put there everything you like, as much as you like. Just throw it in there. You can put trees if you want. You can draw some houses if you like. There's a lot of little hills that you can decorate and add stuff. As I mentioned before, I will be using these trees that I made previously, and I will tuck them into these little hills like so. And then I will be adding some stuff, quotes and whatever comes to mind. Now the fall journal is officially open, and I am happy about that. And now I will pop a gratitude leaf. I wrote here to the behind of the leaf what I am grateful for right now, and I will pop it into the mix. Yes, but I love to do this. Hopefully you got some inspiration from this. If you want to use some of these decorations, these are all for sale on my Etsy shop. Happy fall art journalings to everybody. Let's enjoy the wonderful colors of nature and the dark, cozy nights. But now, until next time, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.